Welcome back, beautiful and amazing creatures. We are about to open this 400 up and see why it's seized. And hopefully no other damages or anything else. You know, maybe it's a good block, maybe it's not, I don't know. But we're going to open her up and take a look inside. See what we find. Yeah, baby. Well, so far so good, no damage here. Move that over. Yeah, looks good here. Although when it landed, I guess it did snap a couple bolts off here. No big deal. You can get those out. So, see if we can get this thing open now. Looks like I need a screwdriver maybe. Or not. Cam looks good. Don't play with that. Nothing looks out of the ordinary so far. Oh, let's continue digging. Shall we? Well, digging a little further. So far so good. I ain't seeing much of anything in here really. I mean, there's some carbon buildup and some junk here. Whatever else I sprayed in there. But other than that little spot right there, I haven't really seen any rust in here whatsoever. Cylinders looks fairly good. I mean, they could use a honing. Get a crosshatch happening. But I am not seeing much of anything. Other than whatever's going on with this cylinder. There's a lot of junk and flake in there. You can see there's some surface rust. But nothing rusty. I mean, on the head here you can see, yeah, moisture got in there, so I'm guessing that would be that cylinder. So I'm guessing there's some rust holding the rings. Same with this cylinder. Not too bad. I thought I'd see a lot worse, but it's actually not bad. So there's a good chance I could free this up just the way it is. So I'm going to try getting my bar on here and then working on it from there. We'll see. Well, I just soaked it all in some knocker loose, hoping I'll be able to free something up here. So I've been looking around here for a little while. I have a pulley with a bar welded on it just for this. Now I remember the last time I used it was on the 413. Be damned if I know where it is. It's supposed to be hanging on the wall somewhere, but I guess it got lost in the shuffle around here because I've, cleaned up and rearranged this place about several hundred times since I did the 413 about 3 years ago, or however long it was. And so now I have no idea where it is. So I'm going to have to come up with a plan B here or something. Or find another pulley to make another bar out of. But yeah, that's got me great confused because, like I said, that bar, I remember I was supposed to have it up here on the wall with the rest of the stuff here. But as you can see, it's not there. So I don't know if it got lost in the shuffle, or maybe it even got scrapped. I have no idea. Either way, I'm kind of puzzled, kind of confused, not sure. So I got to come up with another idea here. Well, I guess we'll let that sit for a couple days, soaking, and flip it around. We'll do the other side for another couple days, and then hopefully by then I'll find my bar. If not, I'll have to make another one so I can crank on that. Anyways, there you go. Till next time, keep fit and have fun. Oh, I tell you, it's hard to get anything done with, cats. So I stopped in a Walmart real quick just to get some water softening salt. Usually they got it up front here in the doorway here, nothing there. Then they have some in the back sometimes. So I went there, well, nothing there. I walked around the store a little bit, well, nothing in the store. Well, I found it all. Oh, sitting in the back here. Guess I ain't buying it here today.